Let's talk about the future of data, AI, and analytics as we head toward 2026. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's the engine driving how businesses operate and innovate. We'll break down the 10 trends that will shape the next few years, cutting through the hype to what you really need to know. First up, convergence. In the world of technology, convergence means more than just things coming together. It's about the seamless integration of tools, data, and intelligence into a single unified experience. This is a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology, and it's happening right now. Until recently, AI tools were isolated, each operating in its own silo, limited to specific tasks or platforms. You might have used one app for scheduling, another for writing, and yet another for data analysis, each with its own strengths, but little communication between them. Now, these tools are merging into unified, context-aware systems that can understand and respond to your needs holistically. Imagine a dashboard where all your AI-powered features work together, sharing information and context in real time. Picture your AI assistant not just answering questions, but actively pulling relevant information from your emails, presentations, and chats. It can synthesize data from multiple sources, helping you craft intelligent responses, make better decisions, and stay ahead of your workload. For developers, this convergence means orchestrating complex multimodal systems. It's no longer about building single-purpose models. It's about designing intelligent workflows that combine language, vision, and data processing, all working together seamlessly. New frameworks like LangChain and Llama Index are making this possible. They allow developers to connect different models, APIs, and data sources, creating powerful, integrated solutions that were unimaginable just a few years ago. The result? AI that doesn't just answer your questions, but collaborates with you, offering suggestions, anticipating your needs, and even helping you brainstorm creative ideas. It's a true partner in your daily work. We're witnessing the birth of a digital nervous system, a unified intelligence layer that connects devices, applications, and people. Data flows freely, insights are generated instantly, and the boundaries between tools are disappearing. The real innovation isn't just in making AI bigger or faster, but in weaving these systems together. It's about creating a fabric of intelligence that supports collaboration, creativity, and efficiency at every level. The era of standalone AI is ending. We're entering a new age of integrated AI ecosystems, where technology works together, amplifying our abilities and transforming the way we live and work. Next, let's talk about the rise of autonomous AI agents. These aren't your average chatbots or simple virtual assistants. Instead, they're digital teammates, sophisticated programs designed to handle complex, multi-step tasks that once required human expertise. Imagine an AI agent that can not only answer questions, but also plan projects, coordinate resources, and adapt to changing goals, all with minimal human intervention. These agents are quickly becoming an integral part of modern workplaces, transforming how teams operate and collaborate. They can plan, execute, and analyze entire workflows, often making decisions on the fly. This level of autonomy brings incredible efficiency, but it also introduces new challenges that organizations must address. For successful human-agent collaboration, trust and transparency are essential. If team members can't understand how an agent arrives at its decisions, or if the logic behind its actions is hidden, then true teamwork breaks down. People need to feel confident that the AI's recommendations are sound, and that they can intervene when necessary. Now, imagine not just one, but multiple agents working together. Coordinating these digital workers is even more complex. Each agent may have its own objectives, and balancing competing goals or resolving conflicts between them becomes a significant technical hurdle. Ensuring smooth collaboration among agents, and between agents and humans, requires advanced oversight and robust systems. And let's not overlook the costs. Running these advanced agents demands serious computing power, which translates to higher energy consumption and increased infrastructure expenses. As organizations deploy more agents, the operational costs can quickly escalate, sometimes outpacing the efficiency gains. That's why businesses must carefully weigh the efficiency improvements against the ongoing operational expenses. It's not just about what the agents can do, but whether the benefits truly justify the investment over time. The real question isn't simply, can we automate this task? But rather, is it worth the cost? Decision makers need to consider not only the upfront investment, but also the long-term impact on productivity, employee satisfaction, and the bottom line. Ultimately, the widespread adoption of agentic AI will depend on one thing: a clear, measurable return on investment. Only when the benefits clearly outweigh the costs will businesses fully embrace this new era of digital teammates. As artificial intelligence becomes increasingly central to the way businesses operate, The importance of safety and robust governance structures moves to the very forefront of organizational priorities. AI is no longer just a tool. It's a core driver of innovation, decision-making, and even company culture. This shift means that the stakes are higher than ever before, and the risks, if not managed properly, can be significant, affecting not just profits, but also reputation and trust. To navigate this new landscape, companies must develop and enforce formal policies, comprehensive ethical guidelines, and clear lines of accountability for every AI-driven decision. It's not enough to simply deploy AI. Organizations need to ensure that every step, from development to deployment, is guided by a strong ethical framework and transparent oversight. Explainable AI is absolutely key. Models must be able to clearly articulate their reasoning, not just spit out answers. This transparency helps build trust with users, regulators, and stakeholders, making it easier to identify and correct errors or biases before they cause harm. Legal and regulatory requirements are rapidly evolving, pushing organizations to prioritize transparency and ensure that AI systems are aligned with human values. Compliance is no longer optional. It's a fundamental part of responsible AI adoption. Ultimately, it's not just about maximizing profit or efficiency. It's about ensuring that AI acts ethically, fairly, and always in the best interests of people and society as a whole. The true measure of success is how well AI serves humanity. Rigorous testing for bias, security vulnerabilities, and unintended consequences is absolutely essential before any AI system is deployed. This means ongoing audits, stress tests, and continuous improvement to safeguard against emerging threats. Continuous monitoring and the ability to intervene in real time are non-negotiable. Organizations must be prepared to pause or halt AI operations instantly if something goes wrong, ensuring human oversight remains at the core. Building a culture of AI responsibility is just as important as the technology itself. This means ongoing training, open dialogue, and a shared commitment to ethical innovation at every level of the organization. Only then can we truly harness the power of AI for good. AI is no longer just for data scientists. Generative tools are democratizing access. Now, marketers, salespeople, and managers can interact with data using natural language. Ask a question, get insights and narrative summaries instantly. No coding required. This shift enables new workflows and encourages curiosity across organizations. AI is being embedded directly into everyday tools like Office, Salesforce, and Slack. Seamless integration will drive mass adoption, making AI as common as spell check. The barrier to entry is gone. Everyone can leverage AI to make smarter decisions. By 2026, AI will be a standard part of every knowledge worker's toolkit. AI needs quality data, but most organizations are drowning in fragmented, messy data. Enter data clouds, unified, cloud-native homes for all your data, breaking down silos. Storage and compute are separated, making it affordable to store massive datasets and analyze them on demand. Open standards like Apache Iceberg and Delta Lake enable interoperability. Use any tool, no painful migrations. Data clouds are the backbone for personalized AI, autonomous agents, and analytics. They harmonize data, making it accessible, secure, and analysis-ready. Without this foundation, advanced AI simply isn't possible. Data clouds are the unsung heroes powering the AI revolution. Enterprise search has been frustrating. Just keyword matches and endless documents. Generative AI is transforming search into a contextual conversational experience. Ask a question, and AI synthesizes answers from multiple sources, not just documents. Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, grounds responses in real company data. Now, you get direct, actionable summaries instead of sifting through manuals. This enables natural, exploratory interaction with information. Ask follow-ups, dive deeper. Productivity soars as knowledge becomes instantly accessible. By 2026, the search bar will be a conversational AI expert, not just a list of links. Data ops is evolving, no longer just for structured data, but for unstructured and semi-structured data too. Automated pipelines now ingest, enrich, and prepare everything from emails to video feeds. This enables richer analytics, correlate customer sentiment with purchase history, or video with production metrics. Comprehensive data management and governance now cover all data types. Automated quality checks and lineage tracking are critical for compliance and trust. As AI models rely on diverse data, robust data ops is essential for scale. Data ops is the engine making enterprise-wide analytics possible. Data science is getting a boost from agent-based AI assistants. Instead of manual, tedious work, AI agents automate data cleaning, feature engineering, and model training. Data scientists shift from technicians to strategic overseers, guiding and validating AI-driven workflows. Platforms are becoming active collaborators, suggesting next steps and even writing code. This accelerates innovation. Projects that took months now take weeks. It also lowers the barrier for less specialized roles to tackle complex problems. By 2026, the best teams will be those who leverage agentic workflows to amplify their impact. Data sovereignty and regulation are shaping AI strategy. Where your data lives matters more than ever. Laws like GDPR mean companies must store and process data locally, complicating global AI models. This drives demand for sovereign clouds and region-specific solutions. Strategic concerns, like avoiding vendor lock-in, are pushing hybrid and multi-cloud approaches. Enterprises must balance performance, compliance, and control. Decisions about data locality now shape everything from architecture to deployment. In 2026, tech choices are as much about geopolitics as engineering. AI is now managing the IT infrastructure that powers everything. Welcome to AI Ops. AI ingests logs and metrics, detects anomalies, and pinpoints issues before humans notice. It predicts resource needs, scaling systems up or down automatically. Automated remediation fixes common problems without human intervention. This shift moves IT from firefighting to self-healing systems. As tech stacks grow more complex, AI Ops becomes essential, not optional. AI-driven infrastructure management frees engineers to focus on innovation, not maintenance. That's 10 trends shaping the future of data, AI, and analytics by 2026. The big story? Technology is becoming the organizational brain, not just a tool. To stay ahead, get your data house in order, invest in governance, and empower your people with AI. It's all about data, safety, and people. Thanks for watching. If you found this valuable, like, share, and subscribe for more. Drop your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next one.